Hi everyone! Today I will be cooking my own version of spaghetti using tomato sauce. So let's get started! For the sauce, I use a covered casserole, or you may use whichever pan you prefer. Over low-medium heat, start with a 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and a little bit of butter. For me, it adds a nice flavor. So to start off, let's saute the onion until it's tender. Add in garlic, season with salt, and you may add pepper if you like. I add in the minced meat. I used pork here, but if you prefer to have beef or chicken, it's all up to you. Cover with a lid and cook over low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Who doesn't love a simple tomato pasta? It's classic that can be taken in so many ways. Apart from it, from being my comfort food, it's so simple and easy to cook. You may add in now the hot dog. I use chicken hot dog, so let it cook for about 5 minutes. Stir and do check from time to time to make sure it's not dried out. You may add some water if you like. Pour in the tomato sauce and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. I've added some water to the bottle that still has leftover tomato sauce in it. Stir and do check from time to time to make sure it's not dried out. You may add some water if you like. Season with mixed herbs, thyme, oregano, or depends on how you want to pronounce it, adding basil and some powdered black pepper. Add in sugar, and you may cover with a lid and simmer over medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. 5 minutes before the sauce is done, adjust the seasonings that suit to your liking. Add more if you want, and you may turn down the heat afterwards. For the meantime, in preparing pasta, I've put in some salt and cooking oil in a pan filled with water over high heat to boil. When it's already boiling, place the pasta and cover it with a lid. I'm trying to achieve the al dente way of cooking it, but of course it all depends on the instructions on the pasta of your choice. Drain the pasta without rinsing it. I like it al dente as mentioned earlier, as I need to mix it with the spaghetti sauce. Separate pan, which I used an open fry pan. Place a teaspoon of butter, or just a little bit if you're too worried about the calories, to bring some creamy taste in pasta. Combine the cooked pasta with the sauce until the noodles are evenly coated. It should be tossed with sauce that's already hot and ready. Of course, you don't want your cooked pasta to heat up in a cold pan of sauce and become mushy. Add some cheese while tossing the pasta. You may add more sauce if you want. And lots of cheese if you want. Serve immediately with ground black pepper. By the way, this is the easiest and simplest home-cooked spaghetti. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell if you haven't done yet. And these are for more uploads to come. Have a good day, everyone.